This is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show how you can set up and use the Nearby Share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then, amongst the available control panel icons, find and tap and hold at the Nearby Share. After that, you can enable it by toggling the switch. From here, you can make some fine adjustments, such as renaming your device, configuring its visibility mode or visibility extent, and then you can also modify the network type that will be used for the file transfer. Now everything is set up and ready to be used, so let me test it out by trying to send the screenshot I just took. So let's see how well, stable and fast it is. So everything went successfully. That would conclude this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.